Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the stock market started the day with significant gains, but quickly retreated as cases of coronavirus continue to spike in the states of Florida, Arizona, and California. And on top of that, the World Health Organization reported this afternoon that the pandemic has entered what Director General has termed a new and dangerous phase as daily COVID-19 cases hit record highs. So with that uplifting news, we'll take a look at the market and see where we stand for the week on a weekly chart of the S&P 500. A red weekly trade triangle on Monday at 2,969.75, pushing the chart analysis score down to 65, signaling a possible entry into a sidelines position for the S&P 500. However, on a weekly level, it will post a gain just short, right around 2% for the week, making a comeback after losing almost 5% last week. Currently trading at 3,099.78. Key level to watch will be 3,233.13. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. Dollar index marking its second week of gains, right now trading at 97.58, up about 0.5% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 75. Key level to watch will be 98.32. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. The Dow Jones and the Nasdaq did not trigger red weekly trade triangles just yet, so chart analysis score remains plus 90 for the Dow, trading at 25,880.74, gaining a little over 1% on the week. Key level to watch would be 24,843.18. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq having the best week of the three indexes, gaining a little over 3% with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq, trading at 9,916.50. Key level to watch would be 9,403. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Taking a look at crude oil, bouncing back after losing about 7% last week, gaining 8.7% this week, trading at $39.70, traded briefly above $40 a barrel, which is quite a bit of a comeback from trading down to negative territory in the recent past. However, chart analysis score remains a negative 55, indicating that we're in a sidelines position for crude oil in the long-term time frame. However, short-term time frame, we are in a long position with a green weekly and daily trade triangle. Key level to watch will be 37.40. Move below that level would give us a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for crude oil. Take a look at gold, having its second straight week of gains, trading at 1,753.20 with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we're now in a long position for gold. Switch to a daily chart as we got a new green weekly trade triangle today at 1,758.60, indicating that move to a long position. Key level to watch would be 1,728.30. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. We'll wrap it up like we do usually with Bitcoin, currently up just a little bit on the day, about 0.3%. However, it is posting its second straight week of losses, trading at 9,305.60 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a true sidelines position. As you can tell from this weekly chart, there's been very little movement from Bitcoin recently. Key level to watch would be 8,900. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with market updates.